eTack Medical presents the eTack, a quantum leap in hernia mesh fixation. The eTack is a novel articulated tacker that improves hernia procedures for surgeons and improves patient treatment.
Hi, my name is Dr Amir Szold. I'm a laparoscopic surgeon and I do a lot of hernias of all kinds. And I've helped a group of very smart people to create a new tacking device that I thought would have some features that will make tacking device or an anchoring device for hernia mesh much better. The first thing is the handle design. It's ergonomic, it's not piston grip, so you can hold it in different angles, up, down, you can turn it in your hand, and it will still be very comfortable to use. So, first of all, the handle design allows for using across the table, from below, from above, and then you can still use the instrument very easily. There is no mechanics that you have to push or pull. There is no handle. There's just a small button that you can fire the tacks or the anchors with just a press of a button. I think the advantages to that are a few. First of all, from different angles you can still fire it without using force. Second of all, people with small hands or with less force in their hands can use the instrument at the same constant forces without needing power in their hand, and it allows you to fire in a very constant way in different angles towards the abdominal wall. So you have a handle that has a motor and power in it, and you have a shaft that has all the tacking devices in. This is a straight shaft like you're used to see. The thing is, because this is attached to a motor and the gears are computerized, you can put different shafts on top of the same instrument. So you can take the regular shaft of an instrument or of a tacking device that you know, disconnect it and change it from absorbable to reusable, for instance, or move to a second type of shaft, which is really unique, that can do this. So here you have a articulating shaft that can fire towards the abdominal wall, and this is really unique. This allows you, first of all, to use less trocars, to do a large intra-abdominal hernia without moving to the other side of the table, or to do even a single incision hernia repair by having access to all the different areas in the abdominal wall using the same instrument and the same shaft and the same trocar. In addition, you can perform abdominal wall hernias from below the bikini line, just because you have access from 3 or 4 ports below the bikini line to the entire abdominal wall. Once you have the articulation, you can access all the anchoring points in the abdominal wall using this device. Other features that are important is the fact, since this is a detachable, you can change from different tackers during the same procedure for the same patient. You can use absorbable tacks, you can use special design tacks for the Cooper's ligament and for anchoring deeper tacks or anchors into the abdominal wall once you do a large intra-abdominal or extraperitoneal hernia repair. The fact that the handle is ergonomic, the articulation, and the fact that the device is motorized also allows you to do the entire procedure single-handedly. You don't need for instance, to press on the abdominal wall for counter pressure, because you can access the abdominal wall in any angle you want and hit it directly, and because the motor pushes the tack at a very constant force, it allows you to shoot tacks into the abdominal wall without the counter pressure, so you can use both hands laparoscopically, for instance, to hold the mesh or to guide the tissue wherever you want to do it. The fact that the device is motorized and that the gears are motorized and the entire process is computerized gives it another fantastic advantage. This could be robotized as well. So you can imagine using the same instrument on a robotic arm of different types and using the entire device as an extension of a robotic instrument for robotic hernia repair.
the eTack by Artac Medical, for new levels of control, convenience, and confidence.